The Dual Dash Cam D35 provides superior image quality with its combination of 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera, ensuring detailed recording of your journey from both perspectives. Equipped with a starlight night vision sensor, the D35 dashcam captures clear and detailed footage, even in challenging low-light conditions. The dashcam's loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage, while the G sensor locks crucial accident footage to prevent it from being overwritten. With a 24-hour parking monitor, the Dual Dash Cam D35 offers around-the-clock surveillance, providing peace of mind when your vehicle is parked. The 2-inch IPS display screen is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings and review footage. An adjustable suction cup allows for flexible installation and viewing angles, ensuring that the dash cam can be mounted according to your preferences.